Okay folks, here we go. Cattle drive number 2, while driving and videoing all at once. Let's see how it goes. We got them in 2 groups. They're usually all bunched up together. Come on, 111. Move! Come on, move! Move! Don't just look at me, move! Come on, go! 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 There you go! That wasn't so hard. Come on, move! Go on! There you go. Go that way. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, I don't want to have to move wire to move you guys. Come on. Oh! Darn it. Okay. Let's go that way. Come on. Let's go. No, don't go that way. Come on. Go that way. Come on. Back in the group, 41. Back in the group. There you go. Good girl. Come on, 75. Back in the group. Go on. Get back in the group. All right, move. Move that way. Come on. There you go. Good girls. That's good. No, don't turn left. Turn right. Go up that way. Go on. There you go. Oh. Oh, darn it. I'm going to have to move the wire. Oh, well. Well, attempt number 1. Cows 1, Doc 0.